who tell jokes that offend ain't friends. These days, finding real ones feel like a hard win. Have things changed or stayed the same? Maybe I changed, that's why I don't play the game. Truth is, dating got me cautious. Every smile ain't honest, every compliment ain't harmless. I remember hearing make 'em wait, like patience was a wedding ring. Turns out, time don't change intentions, it just gives them room to breathe. They said make 'em wait, like that was checkmate. Found out waiting ain't the victory, discernment is the mandate. Come here, let me show you what nobody showed me. Love yourself before somebody tries to own it. Every lesson cost a piece of me, so take these for free. Come here, let me show you what nobody showed me. They said make him wait, like time was the prize. Nobody told me character don't mature just because it survives. Wish somebody taught me how to tread water before I started drowning in pretty words. Swimming lessons would've saved more tears than dating advice. I knew how to love, nobody taught me how to leave. Wish somebody taught me motives, nobody warned me. Respectful men ain't always respectful. Manipulation got good manners too. Wolves learn etiquette before they enter the room. Good girls get taught how to behave. Bad boys study how to persuade. Everybody say, follow your heart. Mine needed a chaperone, they called it chemistry. God called it unequally yoked. Baby girl, come here, let me show you what nobody showed me. Peace is attractive too, purpose is attractive too. Stop chasing butterflies, stop recognizing gardens. Come here, let me show you what nobody showed me. If I could walk back and find the younger me, I wouldn't tell her who to love. I'd teach her how to recognize love before it introduces itself. Come here,